Find the formula for an arithmetic sequence. In this problem, we have a sequence that is 25, 36, 47, 58, and 69. And it is an arithmetic sequence, and we're going to find the formula for it. Step 1. Identify the common difference and the first term. The common difference is the difference between each consecutive number. So we can take the larger number and subtract it with the previous number, and if they are the same throughout, then that is our common difference. So 36 subtract 25 is 11, 47 subtract 36 is 11, and so forth. So 11 is our common difference, and the first term is 25. Step 2. Substitute into the arithmetic sequence formula. So the arithmetic sequence formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And d is the common difference, and the first term is a sub 1. We substitute them in. Step 3 is to simplify. So we distribute the 11, so it's 11n minus 11. Then we simplify further. 25 minus 11 is 14, and our formula is then a sub n equals 11n plus 14. And this completes our problem. If we want to test our result, we can say the first term is 1, so we substitute 1 in for n, and 11 times 1 is 11 plus 14, that gets us 25. Then we substitute in 2. 2 times 11 is 22 plus 14 is 36. So that is the second term, and that works there. So that completes it.